नमस्कार दोस्तों, लीगल गुरुकुल में आप सभी का बहुत बहुत स्वागत है। दोस्तों, आज के इस वीडियो में हम डिस्कस करेंगे यूजीसी नेट एग्जाम 2019 का पेपर 2। जी हाँ दोस्तों, हाल ही में लेटेस्ट जो आपका एग्जाम हुआ था दिसंबर 2019 में, उसका पेपर 2 और स्पेशली जो है ये पेपर 2 जो है वो लॉ का मैं आपके साथ डिस्कस करने जा रहा हूँ। इस वीडियो में हम सभी जो हैं 100 क्वेश्चन विद आंसर जो हैं यूजीसी नेट एग्जाम दिसंबर 2019 पेपर 2 लॉ के डिस्कस करने जा रहे हैं। तो ज़्यादा देर ना करते हुए चलिए शुरू करते हैं। पहला क्वेश्चन है हमारा। मैं आपको इससे पहले बता देना चाहूँगा कि ये सभी क्वेश्चन जो हैं 100 के 100 हैं इसमें, लेकिन हो सकता है कि आपकी सीक्वेंस के हिसाब से ना हो, ऊपर नीचे हो, क्योंकि काफ़ी सेट्स थे इसमें। तो सेट के हिसाब से जो है कई सीक्वेंस चेंज हुए होंगे, तो आप उस पर मत जाएं। क्वेश्चन सारे के सारे हैं, तो आइए डिस्कस करते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, मैच लिस्ट 1 विद लिस्ट 2। लिस्ट 1 दी गई है केसेस की और लिस्ट 2 दी गई है कि उसमें केस में क्या हेल्ड किया या किस चीज से रिलेटेड था वो केस। ऑप्शन लिस्ट 1 में ए है यूनाइटेड स्टेट ऑफ अमेरिका वर्सेस इटली, बी एल सल्वाडोर वर्सेस होंडुरस, सी स्पेन वर्सेस कनाडा, डी यूगोस्लाविया वर्सेस यूएस। और लिस्ट 2 में फर्स्ट नंबर पे है लीगैलिटी ऑफ यूज ऑफ फोर्स, सेकंड केस कंसर्निंग इलेक्ट्रॉनिका सिकुला एसपीए एलसी, थर्ड लैंड आइलैंड एंड मैरीटाइम डिस्प्यूट केस, फोर्थ फिशरीज जुरिडिक्शन। और इसमें जो है ऑप्शंस दी गई हैं, 4 जो हैं इसमें ऑप्शंस हैं, उसमें अलग अलग कॉम्बिनेशन दिए गए हैं और इसका करेक्ट आंसर है आंसर ऑप्शन 1। इसके बाद चलते हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 पे। विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट्स आर करेक्ट एज पर आर्टिकल 111 ऑफ एग्रीमेंट्स एस्टैब्लिशिंग WTO? द मेन फंक्शंस ऑफ द WTO आर ए to administer and promote agreements on individual and multinational agreements, B to administer the rules and procedure governing the settlement of disputes, C to administer the trade policy review mechanism TPRM, D to coordinate IMF, TBRD and World Bank on regional economic policies। ऑप्शन दी गई है, चूज द करेक्ट ऑप्शन। ऑप्शन 1 A and B, ऑप्शन 2 A and C, ऑप्शन 3 B and C, ऑप्शन 4 C and D, and the correct answer is option 3 B and C। क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 पे चलते हैं। मेंशन द फॉलोइंग डिसीजंस इन ए क्रोनोलॉजिकल ऑर्डर ऑन एक्सट्रेडिशन। ए मुबारक अली अहमद वर्सेस स्टेट ऑफ बॉम्बे, बी हैंस मुलर ऑफ Nuremberg versus Superintendent Presidency Jail Calcutta and others, C Ram Babu Saxena versus State, D State of Madras versus CG Menon। ऑप्शन दिए गए हैं, चूज द करेक्ट ऑप्शन। 1 2 3 4 दिए हैं और अलग अलग कॉम्बिनेशन इसमें बना के दी गई हैं। क्रोनोलॉजिकल ऑर्डर में हमको करना है इन केसेस को, एंड द करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन 2। क्वेश्चन नंबर 4, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज are true about bill of exchange? A bill of exchange requires in its inception 2 parties. B a bill of exchange or draft is written order by the drawer or drawee to pay money to the payee. C bill of exchange are primarily used in the international trade and are written orders by one person to his bank to pay the bearer a specific sum on a specific date. D definition of bill of exchange is mentioned in the section 6 of the Negotiable Instrument Act. Choose the most appropriate option. 1 A and D, second A, B and D, third B and C, fourth C and D, and the correct answer is answer option 3 B and C। Question number 5, the concept of universalism is based on A natural theory, B theory of rationalism, C theory of positivism, D theory of cultural relativism। choose the most appropriate option। ऑप्शन दिए 4, फर्स्ट ऑप्शन A and B, सेकंड A B and C, थर्ड A B C and D, फोर्थ C and D, and the correct answer is option 2 A B and C। क्वेश्चन नंबर 6, A in India instigates B, a foreigner in Goa, to commit a murder in Goa, A is guilty of first, culpable homicide not amounting to murder, second, committing the offense of murder, third, criminal conspiracy, fourth, abetting the murder. And the correct answer is option 4, abetting the murder. Question number 7. Salmon enumerates 5 characteristics of legal rights. 4 such characteristics are subject of right, object of right, content of right, title of right. The 5th characteristic is 4 ऑप्शन दी हुई हैं. First, property in respect of which right is claimed. Second, act or omission required by the right. Third, the legal reason for the existence of the right. Fourth, the subject of the corresponding duty. And the correct answer is option 4, the subject of the corresponding duty. Question number 8. Arrange the following judgments on tort in chronological order. A. Ashby versus White. B. MC Mehta versus Union of India. C. Rayland versus Fletcher. D. Donoghue versus Stevenson. Choose the correct option. 4 ऑप्शन दी गई हैं, अलग अलग उसकी कॉम्बिनेशंस करके आपको क्रोनोलॉजिकल ऑर्डर की कॉम्बिनेशन बतानी है कौन सी है. एंड द करेक्ट आंसर इज 2, A, C, D एंड B. क्वेश्चन नंबर 9 पे चलते हैं. क्वेश्चन नंबर 9 है मैच द फॉलोइंग. लिस्ट 1 एंड लिस्ट 2. लिस्ट 2 में केसेस के नाम दिए गए हैं और लिस्ट 1 में उसमें केसेस में क्या क्या हेल्ड किया वो दिया गया है. इनको मैच करना है. 4 ऑप्शन दी गई हैं और चारों में अलग अलग कॉम्बिनेशन बना के दी गई हैं. तो इसका करेक्ट आंसर है क्वेश्चन नंबर 9 का ऑप्शन 2. क्वेश्चन नंबर 10. द लॉ ऑफ नेशन इज दैट कलेक्शन ऑफ यूजेज विच सिविलाइज्ड स्टेट हैव एग्रीड टू ऑब्जर्व इन देयर डीलिंग विद वन अनदर. दिस डेफिनेशन ऑफ इंटरनेशनल लॉ इज गिवन बाय लॉर्ड कॉलरिज इन. कौन से केस में दी गई है? 4 केसेस हैं. फर्स्ट, क्वीन वर्सेस केई. सेकंड, वेस्ट रैंड सेंट्रल गोल्ड माइनिंग लिमिटेड कंपनी वर्सेस किंग. Third, SS Lotus case. Fourth, AM Luther Company versus Sugar and Company. And the correct answer is option 1, Queen versus K. Question number 11. In which of the following cases it was held that there is no distinction between de facto and de jure recognition for the purpose of giving effect to the international act of the recognized authority? First, Luther versus Sagar. Second, US versus Ping. Third, Russian Socialist Federated Soviet Public versus Sirbaria. Fourth, Guarantee Trust Company of New York versus US. And the correct answer is option 1, Luther versus Sagar. Question number 12. The essential characteristics of federation in USA are: A. Supremacy of constitution. B. Distribution of power amongst the various organs of the federation and of regional units of the federation by the provision of constitution. C. Judicial review or enforcement of that supreme constitution as law. D. Rule of law. Choose the correct option. 4 options दी गई हैं and the correct answer is option 1, A, B and C. Question number 13. The International Court of Justice is indeed a sine qua non for the establishment of rule of law in the interstate relations is said by: first, Judge Shigeru Oda. Second, Judge Narendra Singh. Third, Justice Dalveer Bhandari. Fourth, Justice R.S. Pathak. And the correct answer is option 2, Justice Nagendra Singh. Question number 14. Some of the notification under the Environment Protection Act 1986 is listed below. Choose the correct option year wise. 4 notification दी गई हैं. Notification first, notification on ABCD, coastal regulation zone, environmental auditing, environmental impact assessment, dumping and disposal of fly ash. Second notification, dumping and disposal of fly ash, coastal regulation, environment auditing, environmental impact. Notification third option, coastal regulation, dumping and disposal, environmental auditing, environmental impact assessment. ये 4 जो है इन्होंने अलग अलग जंबल करके दी गई हैं, तो इसमें हमको करेक्ट ऑप्शन ढूंढनी है. करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन नंबर 1. Question number 15. Ownership can be: A. Legal and vested ownership. B. Legal and equitable ownership. C. Absolute and limited ownership. D. Trust and beneficial ownership. And the correct answer is option 2, B, C and D only. Question number 16. Various legislation relating to human rights in India are given below. Arrange them in chronological order since 1955. तो जो वेरियस प्रोविजंस हैं लेजिस्लेशन रिलेटिंग टू ह्यूमन राइट्स वो दिए हुए हैं और उनको जंबल करके दिया हुआ है चारों में। तो चार जो हमारे लेजिस्लेशन दिए गए हैं वो है बॉन्डेड लेबर सिस्टम अबॉलिशन एक्ट, प्रोटेक्शन ऑफ सिविल राइट्स एक्ट, इमोरल ट्रैफिकिंग प्रिवेंशन एक्ट, चाइल्ड लेबर प्रोहिबिशन एंड रेगुलेशन एक्ट। ये चार जो हैं चारों जो हैं जंबल करके चार ऑप्शन में दिए गए हैं। तो हमको बताना है कि क्रोनोलॉजिकल ऑर्डर इनका क्या है सिंस 1955 एंड द करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन 2। क्वेश्चन नंबर 17, following are good defense to an action in tort: A, act of God; B, voluntary non-fit injuria; C, private defense; D, trustee do non tort। चार ऑप्शन दी हुई हैं। ए फर्स्ट की है ए बी एंड डी, सेकंड बी सी एंड डी ओनली, थर्ड डी ए एंड सी ओनली, फोर्थ ए बी एंड सी ओनली एंड द करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन 4, ए बी एंड सी ओनली। Question number 18, which of the following is not a primary source of Muslim law? First Qiyas, second Quran, third Taqleed, fourth Sunnat, and the correct answer is option 3. Question number 19, section 3(1) of the Trademark Act 1999 deals with the provisions relating to first refusal of registration, second application for registration, third appointment of registrar of trademarks, fourth correction and amendment in application, and the correct answer is option 3, amendment of registrar of trademarks. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन पे चलते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 20, स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम द अर्लीस्ट अरेंज द फॉलोइंग कंट्रीज इन क्रोनोलॉजिकल ऑर्डर वेयर द ऑफिस ऑफ ओम्बड्समैन वाज क्रिएटेड। ए स्वीडन, बी यूनाइटेड किंगडम, सी न्यूजीलैंड, डी फिनलैंड। इन चारों को चार ऑप्शन में जंबल करके दिया गया है। तो इसका करेक्ट आंसर है ऑप्शन 2, ए डी सी बी। क्वेश्चन नंबर 21, द प्रोविजंस under Copyright Act is given as under section 52B deals with provisions relating to accounts and audits, 53A deals with resale share rights in original copies, 52 deals with importation of infringing copies, 53 deals with certain act not to be infringement of copyright। ऑप्शन दी गई है। फर्स्ट ऑप्शन ए एंड सी, सेकंड की बी एंड डी, थर्ड ए एंड डी, फोर्थ ए एंड बी एंड द करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन 4, ए एंड बी। क्वेश्चन नंबर 22, मैच द फॉलोइंग केसेस डिसाइडेड बाय सुप्रीम कोर्ट विद द सब्जेक्ट गिवन देयरइन। लिस्ट 1 में केसेस दिए गए हैं और लिस्ट 2 में उनके सब्जेक्ट्स दिए गए हैं, किसमें क्या केस डिसाइड किया गया उनको मैच करना है और इसका करेक्ट आंसर है ऑप्शन नंबर 3। Question number 23, arrange the provisions of Trademark Act 1999 in chronological order section wise. A, classification of goods and services. B, regulation in case of honest concurrent use etc. C, limitation as to color. D, absolute grounds for refusal of registration। इन चारों को जंबल करके दिया गया है, हमें उसको क्रोनोलॉजिकल ऑर्डर में सेक्शन वाइज जो है ट्रेडमार्क एक्ट के हिसाब से बताना है। तो इसका करेक्ट आंसर है ऑप्शन नंबर 3, ए डी सी बी। Question number 24, section 9 of the Geographical Indication of Goods Registration and Protection Act 1999 provides for first, prohibition of registration of certain geographical indications, second, registration of homonymous geographical indications, third, geographical indications registry and office thereof, fourth, register of geographical indications, and the correct answer is option 1. Question 25, which of the following statement are correct? A, Article 353 of Constitution of India deals with the effect of proclamation of an emergency. B, Article 354 of Constitution of India deals with the income generating power of the governor during emergency. C, Article 355 of the Constitution of India deals with the duty of union to protect states against external aggression and armed rebellion. D, Article 356 of the Constitution of India deals with the imposition of emergency during local disturbance by militant or terrorist। ऑप्शन 1 दी हुई है ए एंड बी, सेकंड ए एंड सी, थर्ड बी एंड सी एंड फोर्थ सी एंड डी एंड द करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन 2, ए एंड सी। क्वेश्चन नंबर 26, इन विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग statements are true? Which of the following statements are true? First, in Nicaragua versus USA एक ही केस की 4 स्टेटमेंट्स दी हुई हैं। The World Court by majority has taken the view that the source of international law are hierarchical. The World Court has unanimously the view that the source of international law are not hierarchical. Third, the World Court by majority has taken the view that the source of international law are not hierarchical but are necessarily complementary and interrelated. Fourth, the World Court has taken unanimously the view that the source of international law are not hierarchical but are necessarily complementary and interrelated. And the correct answer is option 3. Question number 27. A valid contract can be entered into between parties under the Indian Contract Act. Which of the following gives legal recognition to such contract? Section 10A of the Information Technology Act, Section 65B of the Indian Evidence Act, Section 1(4) of the Information Technology Act, Section 63 of the Indian Evidence Act. Option 1 दी हुई है A and D, second A and B, third A and C, fourth C and D. And the correct answer is option 2 A and B. Question 28. Match the following. A, B, C, D 4 केसेस दिए गए हैं और उसके सामने जो है उनके सब्जेक्ट मैटर दिए गए हैं जंबल करके, तो उसको जो है करेक्टली मैच करना है। 4 ऑप्शन दी गई हैं, तो इसका करेक्ट आंसर है ऑप्शन 1। क्वेश्चन नंबर 29. Which section of Hindu Marriage Act 1955 deal with the matrimonial remedy of divorce? A. Section 13, B. Section 13 1A, C. Section 17, D. Section 13B. Choose the correct option. First में दी हुई है A, C and D only, second B, C and D only, third A, B and D only, fourth A, B and C only. And the correct answer is option 3 A, B and D only. The word tort has been derived from the Latin word first tortus, second tortum, third torrent, D torture. And the correct answer is option 2. Question number 31. Which of the following is not a valid defense in tort? First, private defense, second, voluntary non-fit injuria, third, vis major, fourth, ex dolo malo non oritur actio. And the correct answer is option 4. Question number 32. To constitute the offence of theft under the Indian Penal Code, there must be A. Taking away of the movable property, B. Without the consent of person, C. Taking away of immovable property, D. With the consent of person. Option दी हुई है ऑप्शन 1 B and C, second A and B, third A and D, fourth B and D. And the correct answer is option 2 A and B. Question number 33. In which of the following cases the Supreme Court of India has specifically said that federal structure is the basic feature of the Constitution? First, A.K. Gopalan versus State of Madras, B. S.R. Bommai versus Union of India, C. Govind versus State of Madhya Pradesh, fourth, Maneka Gandhi versus Union of India. And the correct answer is option 2 S.R. Bommai versus Union of India. Question number 34. Article 371F special provisions with respect to the state of Sikkim was inserted by first, the Constitution 32nd Amendment Act, second, the Constitution 33rd Amendment Act, third, Constitution 35th Amendment Act, fourth, the Constitution 36th Amendment Act. And the correct answer is option 4. Question number 35. Consider the following statements and point out which statements are related to positivism. A. Law or command. B. Analysis of legal concept is distinct from sociological and histological analysis. C. Decision can be deducted logically with resource to morality. 4. The law as it is has to be kept separate from law ought to be. Choose the correct option. First, A, B and C only. Second, A, B and D only. Third, B, C and D only. Fourth, A and D only. And the correct answer is option 2. Question number 36. Which of the following statements are correct? 4 statements दी हुई हैं. A. Convention of Nationality was adopted in 1928. B. Convention of Nationality of Married Women was adopted in 1957. C. Convention on the Reduction of Statelessness was adopted in 1961. D. Convention on the Nationality of Newborn Child was adopted in 1938. Option 1 A and B, option 2 B and C, option 3 A and C, option 4 B and D. And the correct answer is option 2. Question number 37. Human dignity is a quintessence of the human right. This has been stated by first Justice V.R. Krishna Iyer, second Justice J.S. Verma, third Justice Kuldeep Singh, fourth Justice Ranganath Mishra, and the correct answer is option 2. Question number 38. Given below are two statements. One is labeled as assertion A and the other is labeled as reason R. Assertion है हमारी, subject to rules of just cogence, local customary law can supplement or derogate from the general custom. Reason, international law does not recognize the concept of local custom. In the light of the above two statements, choose the correct option. First, both A and R are true and R is correct explanation of A. Both A and R are true and R is not correct explanation of A. Third, A is true, R is false. Fourth, A is false, R is true. And the correct answer is option 3. Question number 39. According to Article 233 of the Constitution of India, appointment of the district judge shall be made by first, Collegium of the State High Court concerned, second, the Governor of the State concerned in consultation with the Chief Justice of India, third, Governor of the State in consultation with the High Court exercising jurisdiction in relation to such state, fourth, the President in consultation with the Chief Justice of High Court exercising jurisdiction in relation to state concerned, and the correct answer is option 3rd. Question number 40. Which of the following is the composition of International Bill of Human Rights? A. Universal Declaration of Human Rights. B. International Covenant of Civil and Political Rights. C. The International Covenant of Economic, Social and Cultural Rights. D. The Optional Protocol of the International Covenant on Rights, Civil and Political Rights. Option 1 दी हुई है A, B and C. Second A and C. Third A, B, C and D. Fourth A and D. And the correct answer is option 3. Question number 41. Under Muslim law, marriage with a woman whose husband is alive is first valid, second sahi, third void, fourth irregular, and the correct answer is option 3 void. Question number 42. Frustration of contract implies first legal impediments to materialize the contract, second commercial hardship, third financial constraints to materialize the contract, fourth physical impossibility due to disappearance of the subject matter of contract or object has failed to materialize, and the correct answer is option 4. Question number 43. Arrange the following judgments of Supreme Court on the issue of constitutionality of the death penalty in chronological order. इनको chronological order में judgments को लगाना है. Option 1 है चार जो हमारी हैं. A. राजेंद्र प्रसाद वर्सेस स्टेट ऑफ यूपी. B. मच्छी सिंह वर्सेस स्टेट ऑफ राजस्थान. सी. जगमोहन सिंह वर्सेस स्टेट ऑफ यूपी. डी. बचन सिंह वर्सेस स्टेट ऑफ पंजाब. चारों को चारों जंबल करके चार ऑप्शन में दिया गया है एंड द करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन 4. क्वेश्चन नंबर 44. Whoever by words either spoken or written or by sign or by visible representation or otherwise brings or attempts to bring in hatred or contempt or excites or attempts to excite disaffection towards a government established by law in India amounts to the offence of first defamation, second sedition, third criminal conspiracy, fourth assault, and the correct answer is option 2. Question number 45. Who among the following said that there is in essence no difference between legal personality of a company and that of an individual? First Maitland, second Dicey, third Grike and fourth Kelson. इनमें से कौन है? Option 4 is correct, Kelson. Question number 46. Choose the correct section of the Competition Act 2002 which provides that no enterprise shall abuse its dominant position. First section 4, second section 9, third section 8, fourth section 6, and the correct answer is option 1 section 4. Question 47. Which of the following statements are correct? A. Chapter 6 of the UN Charter deals with the Pacific settlement of dispute. B. The purpose of UNO, United Nations Organization, is world peace. C. The Security Council comprises of 14 members. D. The non-permanent members elected by the General Assembly for a period of 3 years. Option दी हुई है. Option 1 A and B, Option 2 A and C, Option 3 B and C, and Option 4 B and D. And the correct answer is Option 1 A and B. Question number 48. Which of the following could be considered to be advantages of legislation over precedent? A. Abrogative capability. B. Foreknowledge. C. Prospective application. D. Systematic arrangement. Option 1 A, B and D only, option 2 A, B and C only, option 3 A, B, C and D, option 4 A and C only, and the correct answer is option 3. Question number 49, which of the following is not within the scope of the implied authority of a partner? First, the act done for carrying on the business of the kind carried on by the firm. Second, the act should be done in usual way of business of the firm. Third, the act of acquiring immovable property on behalf of the firm. The act must be done in the firm name or in any other manner expressing or implying an intention to bind the firm. And the correct answer is option 3. Question number 50. Given below are two statements. Assertion दी हुई है, reason दिया हुआ है. Assertion है हमारा. The liability of surety is co-executive and it can not go beyond the terms of guarantee. Reason, the rights and liabilities of surety and borrower are different and distinct and everything depends upon its term of guarantee. तो चार ऑप्शन दी हुई हैं, चारों में से करेक्ट ऑप्शन है ऑप्शन नंबर 1. Question number 51. Match the following sections of Copyright Act 1957 with the provisions given under. Thereunder. A, B and C, D चार सेक्शंस दिए गए हैं और उनके आगे प्रोविजंस कौन कौन से हैं वो मिसमैच करके लिखे हुए हैं. तो ऑप्शन दी हुई है इसमें हमारे को, तो करेक्ट ऑप्शन है ऑप्शन 1. Question number 52. Which of the following statement is not correct in regard to the distinction between civil and criminal liability? First, civil liability arises when a wrong is against a private individual, but criminal liability arises in case of offense which is wrong against the society. Second, civil liability entails punishment, whereas criminal liability results into damages. Third, the procedure for determining civil and criminal liability is different. Fourth, in civil liability is the act and not the intention which is taken into consideration, whereas in criminal liability mens rea is the determining factor. And the correct answer is option 2. Question number 53. Match the theories of jurisprudence with the jurist. एक उसमें चार jurist दिए गए हैं और चार theories दिए गए हैं, mismatch करके मैच करनी है. तो इसका करेक्ट आंसर है ऑप्शन 1. Question number 54. Professor Dicey gave following three meanings of rule of law. A. Absence of arbitrary power or supremacy of law. B. Equality before law. C. The constitution is the result of the ordinary law of land. Options दी गई हैं. Option 1 A and B only. Option 2 B and C only. Option 3 A and C only. 4 all A, B and C. And the correct answer is option 1 A and B only. Question number 55. Under the Companies Act 2013, which of the following company is required to constitute a corporate social responsibility committee? A. Company having net worth of rupees 500 crore or more. B. Company having turnover of rupees 1000 crore or more. C. Company having net profit of 5 crore or more. D. Company having net profit of 2 crore or more during any financial year. Option 1 A, B, C and D. Option 2 A and D. Option 3 A, B, C. Option 4 A, C and D, and the correct answer is option 3 A, B, C. Question number 56. A malignant act likely to spread infection or disease, dangerous to life and making atmosphere noxious to health are punishable offence for environment protection, but the punishment are meager to meet objectives. Under which of the following law such meager punishment is given? Option 1 Environment Protection Act 1986, second Indian Penal Code, third the Air Prevention and Control of Pollution Act 1981, fourth the Water Prevention and Control of Pollution Act 1973, and the correct answer is option 2 IPC. Question number 57. Which one of the following cannot be treated as delivery under Sale of Goods Act 1930? First, doing anything which has the effect of putting goods in possession of legal representative of seller. Second, doing anything which has the effect of parting goods in possession of any person authorized by the buyer. Third, doing anything which has the effect of putting goods in possession of the buyer. Fourth, doing anything which the parties agree to be treated as delivery. And the correct answer is option 1. Question number 58. In which of the following situations the quasi-contract doctrine is not applied? First, in dispute regarding payment for goods delivered or services rendered with a formal contract. Second, where no contract but fictional agreement arises. Third, where there is unjust enrichment without a formal contract. Fourth, where there is a liability to pay a gratuitous act. एंड द करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन 1 एंड 4। जी हाँ, इसमें दो जो है आंसर करेक्ट हैं। जिन्होंने भी ऑप्शन 1 एंड 4 को टिक किया है या कंप्यूटर पे उन्होंने ऑप्शन ये मार्क करी है, उनके दोनों के ही ये आंसर ठीक हैं। ये स्पेशली मैंने क्वेश्चन को चेक किया था बार बार कि ये इसके दो ही आंसर उसमें दिए गए हैं साइट पे। तो 58 क्वेश्चन जो है हमारा कॉशी कॉन्ट्रैक्ट डॉक्ट्राइन का, उसके ऑप्शन 1 एंड 4 दोनों ही करेक्ट हैं। तो आगे चलते हैं। क्वेश्चन 59, मैच लिस्ट 1 एंड लिस्ट 2। मैं लिस्ट 1 में सेक्शन ऑफ हिंदू मैरिज एक्ट दिए गए हैं और लिस्ट 2 में प्रोविजन दिए गए हैं, उनको मैच करना है और इसका करेक्ट आंसर है ऑप्शन 2। Question 60. Which of the following factors are responsible for judicial activism in India? A. Denial of court access to poor, downtrodden and unprivileged section of the society who do not have sufficient means to approach the court. B. Maladministration, misuse of public office and rampant corruption. C. Increasing social problems as environmental pollution, child labor, smoking in public place, pitiable condition of prisoners and exploitation of women, etc. ग्रॉस वायलेशन ऑफ ह्यूमन राइट्स। ऑप्शन दिए हैं ऑप्शन 1 ए बी एंड सी, ऑप्शन 2 बी सी एंड डी, ऑप्शन 3 ए सी एंड डी, ऑप्शन 4 ऑल ए बी सी डी एंड द करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन 4 ऑल ए बी सी एंड डी। Question number 61. Which of the following statements are correct? The Supreme Court of India has original jurisdiction in any dispute between the Government of India and one or more states. B. The Supreme Court of India has original jurisdiction in any dispute between the Government of India and any state or states on one side and one or more states on other side. C. The Supreme Court of India has original jurisdiction in any dispute between Government of India and any individual on one side and state or one or more on other side. D. The Supreme Court of India has original jurisdiction in any dispute in India. Option 1 A and B, option 2 B and C, option 3 A and C, option 4 A and D. And the correct answer is option 1 A and B. Question number 62. Constitution of India requires the state to adopt the protectionist policy and improvised policy. Which one of the following article declare the above? First, Article 51 AG, second, Article 38, third, Article 48A, fourth, Article 37, and the correct answer is option 3, Article 48A. Question 63. Arrange the provisions of Hindu Succession Act 1956 in chronological order section wise. A. Presumption in case of simultaneous death. B. Failure of heirs. C. Act not to apply to certain properties. D. Full blood preferred to half blood. ये चार प्रोविजन दिए गए हैं, इनको क्रोनोलॉजिकल ऑर्डर में बताना है हमारे को। चार ऑप्शन दी गई हैं, तो इसकी करेक्ट ऑप्शन है ऑप्शन नंबर 3। क्वेश्चन नंबर 64. मैच द फॉलोइंग प्रोविजन विद द सेक्शन अंडर कंज्यूमर प्रोटेक्शन एक्ट। इसमें जो है सेक्शन दिए गए हैं और प्रोविजन दिए गए हैं कंज्यूमर प्रोटेक्शन एक्ट के चार, हमारे को उनको मैच करना है। तो इसका करेक्ट आंसर है ऑप्शन 4। क्वेश्चन नंबर 65. रीड द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट इन लाइट ऑफ द हिंदू अडॉप्शन एंड मेंटेनेंस एक्ट 1956. ए. सेक्शन 7 डील विद कैपेसिटी ऑफ मेल हिंदू टू टेक इन अडॉप्शन. बी. Section 13 deals with valid adoption not to be cancelled. C. Section 12 deals with the effect of adoption. D. Section 15 deals with right of adoptive parents to dispose of their properties. ऑप्शन दी गई है ऑप्शन 1 A and C, ऑप्शन 2 B and D, ऑप्शन 3 B and C, ऑप्शन 4 A and D. And the correct answer is option 1 A and C. Question number 66. The Supreme Court, in regard to Section 34 of Indian Penal Code, observed that the existence of a common intention among the participants in a crime is essential element for application of this section. It is not necessary that the act of several persons charged with commission of an offence jointly must be same or identically similar. In which of the following case the above observation was made by the Supreme Court? चार केसेस हमारे को दिए गए हैं। अशोक कुमार वर्सेस स्टेट ऑफ पंजाब, शंकर नारायण भडोलकर वर्सेस स्टेट ऑफ महाराष्ट्र, गुरबचन सिंह वर्सेस स्टेट ऑफ पंजाब, S.C. Bahari वर्सेस स्टेट ऑफ बिहार। एंड द करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन 1, अशोक कुमार वर्सेस स्टेट ऑफ पंजाब। Question number 67. Legal sovereignty in India resides in the constitution itself and not in we the people of India. This idea was expressed in one of the following cases by Supreme Court of India. First, Keshav Nand Bharti versus State of Kerala. Second, Golaknath versus State of Punjab. Third, State of West Bengal versus Union of India. Fourth, Sajj Singh versus State of Rajasthan. And the correct answer is option 1, Keshav Nand Bharti versus State of Kerala. Question number 68. The expression minority is a relative term and is referred to represent the linguistic or religious section or group forming less than 50% of the total population of the state, stated by Supreme Court in the following cases. First, TMA Pai Foundation versus State of Karnataka. Second, PA Namdar versus State of Maharashtra. Third, Islamic Academy of Education versus State of Karnataka. Fourth, Usha Mehta versus State of Maharashtra. And the correct answer is option 1. Question 69. In the British Constitution, there is no such thing as the absolute separation of legislative, executive and judicial powers. In practice, it is inevitable that they overlap. In the Constitution of France and USA, attempts to keep the organs of the government rigidly apart have been made but have proved unsuccessful. This position of doctrine of separation of powers has been summed up by first Professor Ullman, second Professor K.T. Shah, third Wade and Philip, fourth Donoghue-Moore was committee. And the correct answer is option 4. Question 17. Maxim damnum sine injuria means infringement of legal right with damage or loss. Second, damage or loss without infringement of legal right. Third, where there is a right, there is a remedy. Fourth, infringement of the absolute right without damage or loss. And the correct answer is option 2. Question number 71. Given below, one is assertion and other is reason. Assertion है हमारी, whoever attempts to commit robbery shall be punished with rigorous imprisonment for a term which may extend to 7 years and shall also be liable for fine. Reason, section 393 of IPC provides for rigorous imprisonment which may extend to 7 years and fine for the offense of attempt to commit robbery. और इसके हमारे को 4 ऑप्शन दी गई हैं, 4 में से करेक्ट ऑप्शन है ऑप्शन 1. क्वेश्चन नंबर 72. अगेन 2 स्टेटमेंट्स हैं, एक असर्शन है और एक रीजन है. असर्शन है हमारा, special provisions in insurance law are required as to compensation in case of hit and run motor accidents. Reason, section 161 of the Motor Vehicle Act 1988 makes special provision for payment of compensation in respect of the death of or grievous hurt to person resulting from hit and run motor accidents. 4 ऑप्शन दी गई हैं, करेक्ट आंसर है ऑप्शन 2. Question number 73. To constitute the offence of kidnapping from lawful guardianship under section 361 of the Indian Penal Code, the age of the minor should be A. under 18 years if male, B. under 16 years if male, C. under 18 years if female, D. under 16 years if female. First option A and B, second A and C, third B and C, fourth A and D. And the correct answer is option 3, B and C. क्वेश्चन नंबर 74. मैच लिस्ट 1 विद लिस्ट 2. लिस्ट 1 में आर्टिकल दिए हुए हैं और लिस्ट 2 में आर्टिकल क्या डिस्कस कर रहा है, क्या बता रहा है, उसके आपको जंबल करके दिए गए हैं. तो इसका जो है करेक्ट आंसर है ऑप्शन 2. क्वेश्चन नंबर 75. अगेन असर्शन एंड रीजन दिए गए हैं. असर्शन ए, एवरी हिंदू इज बाउंड टू मेंटेन हिज और हर लेजिटिमेट और इलेजिटिमेट माइनर हिंदू चिल्ड्रन. Reason, under section 20 section 2 of the Hindu Adoption and Maintenance Act 1956, illegitimate or illegitimate minor child may claim maintenance from his or her father or mother. 4 ऑप्शन दिए गए हैं and the correct answer is option 3. Question number 76. Which of the following is not correct under Muslim law? First, in a gift transaction, delivery of possession is necessary. In a will, it is not required. Second, doctrine of Musa is also applicable in case of disposition by will. Third, right of donor to a gift is unrestricted, but the right to making a bequest is limited to 2 ways. Fourth, after completion, a gift cannot be revoked unless by a formal decree of the court. A will may be revoked at any time after making of it. And the correct answer is option 2. Question number 77. Right to Education Act seeks to provide free and compulsory education to all children between 6 and 14 years, but a modification in Child Labour Act formalizes employment of children between 0 and 14 years in the family enterprises. Therefore, which of the following ILO convention is violated? Convention 138, Convention 182, Convention 126, Convention 144. Option है हमारी A and B, option 2 C and D, option 3 A and D, option 4 B and C, and the correct answer is option 1. Question number 78. Which of the following section of the Patent Act 1970 provides for the subject matter that are not invention under the Act? ऑप्शन 1 सेक्शन 7, ऑप्शन 2 सेक्शन 3, ऑप्शन 3 सेक्शन 10, ऑप्शन 4 सेक्शन 11 एंड द करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन 2। क्वेश्चन नंबर 79, मैच द फॉलोइंग सेक्शन ऑफ इंडियन पेनल कोड विद द प्रोविजंस। 4 हमारे को आईपीसी के सेक्शन दिए गए हैं और 4 हमारे को प्रोविजंस दिए गए हैं, उनको मैच करना है हमारे को एंड द करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन 3। Question number 80, the Supreme Court or the High Court in exercise of power of judicial review can declare a law passed by Parliament or state legislature as invalid on the grounds that A. It is not within the competence of the legislature which passed the law, B. It is in contravention to the fundamental rights stipulated in Part 3 of the Constitution or any other provision of the Constitution, C. Legislature did not apply its mind or it was prompted by some improper motive or it was arbitrary or unreasonable। ऑप्शन दी गई है ऑप्शन 1 ए एंड सी, ऑप्शन 2 ए एंड बी, ऑप्शन 3 बी एंड सी, ऑप्शन 4 ऑल ए बी एंड सी एंड द करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन 2 ए एंड बी ओनली। क्वेश्चन नंबर 81, which of the following provision was inserted by Act 22 of 2018 by in Indian Penal Code? First, punishment for causing death or resulting persistent vegetative state of victim. Second, punishment for rape on women under 12 years of age. Third, sexual intercourse by husband upon wife during separation. Fourth, sexual intercourse by a person in authority and the correct answer is option 2। Question number 82, preamble of the National Green Tribunal Act 2010 NGT Act does not mention about first Johannesburg Conference, second Rio Conference, third Article 21 of the Constitution, fourth the Stockholm Conference and the correct answer is option 1। क्वेश्चन नंबर 83, अरेंज द फॉलोइंग एनेक्टमेंट्स इन क्रोनोलॉजिकल ऑर्डर एनेक्टेड टू प्रोवाइड सोशल जस्टिस। 4 हमारे को एक्ट्स दिए गए हैं, इक्वल रेम्युनरेशन एक्ट, इमोरल ट्रैफिक प्रिवेंशन एक्ट, मेडिकल टर्मिनेशन ऑफ प्रेगनेंसी एक्ट, मैटरनिटी बेनिफिट एक्ट। चारों को क्रोनोलॉजिकल ऑर्डर में करना है, 4 ऑप्शन दी गई हैं, तो करेक्ट ऑप्शन है ऑप्शन 3। क्वेश्चन नंबर 84, टू कॉन्स्टिट्यूट द ऑफेंस ऑफ एफ्रे अंडर द सेक्शन 159 ऑफ इंडियन पिनल कोड देयर मस्ट बी ए ओनली 1 पर्सन, बी 2 और मोर पर्सन, C. Fighting in public place to disturb public peace, D. Fighting in private place and 4 ऑप्शन दी गई हैं, फर्स्ट A and C, सेकंड B and C, थर्ड B and D, फोर्थ A and D and the correct answer is option 2 B and C। Question number 85, which one of the following jurist asserts that law and morality are complementary and supplementary to each other? First, John Austin, second Hans Kelsen, third HLA Hart, fourth Devlin and the correct answer is option 3 HLA Hart। Question number 86, mention the following cases in chronological order on election commission। First, Kuldeep Nayyar versus Union of India, B. T.N. Session versus Union of India, C. People's Union for Civil Liberties versus Union of India, D. S.S. Dhanova versus Union of India। 4 ऑप्शन दी गई हैं जंबल करके चारों को, तो हमारे को chronological order में बताना है एंड द करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज ऑप्शन 4। Question number 87, which of the following is not correct under section 8 of Hindu Succession Act 1956? The property of a Hindu male dying intestate shall devolve firstly upon class 1 heirs of the deceased, second option secondly upon class 2 heirs of the deceased, third option thirdly upon agents of all deceased, fourthly upon the government and the correct answer is option 4। Question number 88, section 49 of Information Technology Act deals with the provisions relating to first, establishment of Cyber Appellate Tribunal, second, qualification for appointment as chairperson and member of Cyber Appellate Tribunal, third, composition of Cyber Appellate Tribunal, fourth, distribution of business among benches and the correct answer is option 3। Question 89, the provisions of the Constitution are not mathematical formulas having their essence in their form. They are organic living institutions transplanted from English soil. The significance is vital, not formal. It is to be gathered not simply by taking the words and a dictionary, but by considering their origin and the line of their growth. The observation is made by first Schwartz, second Holmes C.J., third S.A. D. Smith, fourth Lord Russell and the correct answer is option 2। Question 90, in which of the following cases our Supreme Court held that so far as the guarantee of equal protection in Article 14 is concerned, any state action, executive, legislative, judicial, which contravenes Article 14 is void? First, Amir Abbas versus State of MB. Second, Naresh Mirajkar versus State of Bihar. Third, Budan versus State of Bihar. Fourth, Himmatlal versus State of MP. एंड द करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन 3। देखिए अब जो है हमारा जो है कॉम्प्रिहेंशन आ गया है। आप जो है इस कॉम्प्रिहेंशन को पढ़ सकते हैं पॉज करके। इसके बाद के जो 5 क्वेश्चन होंगे वो इस कॉम्प्रिहेंशन के बेस पर होंगे, तो प्लीज आप इसको पढ़िए अच्छी तरह और अगले क्वेश्चंस उसके बाद ही आप कीजिए या देखिए। देखिए सब क्वेश्चन 91 ये अब कॉम्प्रिहेंशन के बेसिस पे ही है। आर्टिकल 356(1)(b प्रोवाइड्स दैट फर्स्ट एनी प्रोक्लेमेशन अंडर आर्टिकल 356(1) may be revoked by subsequent proclamation. Second, every proclamation under Article 356(1) shall be laid before each House of Parliament. Third, a proclamation under Article 356(1) shall cease to operate on the expiration of 6 months from the date of issue of proclamation. Fourth, the President may, by proclamation under Article 356(1), declare that the powers of legislature of the state shall be exercisable by or under authority of the Parliament. And the correct answer is option 4. Question 92. In the light of the above, answer the following. In which of the following cases Supreme Court held that the preamble is part of the Constitution? First, Buckingham and Carnatic Company Limited versus Venkaiah. Second, Keshavanand Bharati case. Third, Golaknath versus State of Punjab. Fourth, Indri Beru Bari case. And the correct answer is option 2, Keshavanand Bharati case. Question number 93. On which grounds of the following a restriction can be imposed on freedom of religion under Article 25(1) of the Constitution? First, public order, decency and morality. Second, in the interest of general public. Third, public order, morality and health. Fourth, interest of general public and for the protection of interest of scheduled tribe. And the correct answer is option 3. Question number 94. Rule of law has been recognized by the Constitution of India under first Article 14, second Article 19, third Article 21 and fourth Article 22, and the correct answer is option 1. Question number 95. Which of the following provisions of the Constitution imposes an obligation on the Union to ensure that the government of the state is carried on in accordance with the provision of the Constitution? First Article 352, second Article 355, third Article 356, and fourth Article 360, and the correct answer is option 2. देखिए उसके बाद के हमारे जो लास्ट के 5 क्वेश्चन हैं वो भी कॉम्प्रिहेंशन के बेस पे ही हैं। आप प्लीज इसको पढ़िए अच्छी तरह, ये आपके सामने है, इसको पॉज करके पढ़िए और उसके बाद ही जो है अगले 5 क्वेश्चन आप अटेम्प्ट कीजिए या देखिए। और यदि आपने पेपर दिया है उसके बाद आप देख रहे हैं तो आपने वो पढ़े होंगे। चलिए क्वेश्चन पे चलते हैं। लास्ट के 5 क्वेश्चन है। क्वेश्चन नंबर 96. Who among the following jurists says legal theory is linked at one end with philosophy and at other end with political theory? First, John D. Finch. Second, Friedman. Third, Van Morrison. Fourth, Jeremy Bentham. And the correct answer is option 2. Question number 97. Law is always in a state of continual change. This is the basic tenet of first, realist jurisprudence. Second, sociological jurisprudence. Third, philosophical jurisprudence. Fourth, analytical jurisprudence. And the correct answer is option 1. Question number 98. In the right of above, the following, answer the following. As the science of law and philosophy of law emerged, which of the following approach came into existence? First, analytical positive approach. Second, socio-legal approach. Third, historical approach. Fourth, realist approach. And the correct answer is option 2. Question number 99. Law must remain free from social science, metaphysical, ethical and moral elements. This was propounded by first Austin, second Pound, third Kelson, fourth Salmon. And the correct answer is option 3. Question number 100. Last question है हमारा. Who defined jurisprudence as a formal science of positive law? First Austin, second H.L.A. Hard, third Salmon, fourth Holland. And the correct answer is option 4. तो ये हमारे 100 क्वेश्चंस थे लॉ पेपर के, पेपर नंबर 2 लॉ दिसंबर 2019 का यूजीसी नेट एग्जाम का। आप सभी ये क्वेश्चन जो हैं देख सकते हैं, इनको आप प्लीज पॉज करके पढ़िए क्योंकि मैंने ये 100 क्वेश्चन काफी कईयों में जल्दी मैंने बताए हैं आपको, तो प्लीज आप इनको पॉज करके अच्छी तरह पढ़िए और अपनी नॉलेज बढ़ाइए। आगे के आने वाले एग्जाम्स के लिए आपको ऑल द बेस्ट, विश यू ऑल द लक। आज के लिए इतना ही, अगली बारी हम फिर मिलेंगे, तब तक के लिए धन्यवाद। जय हिंद।